Hey guys, Josh here with MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina. Today I'm standing in front of a brand new 2026 Sea Ray 230 SDX outboard. This is a gorgeous boat. We've got the full hull color and horizon. It's got dock lights and your nav lights up front here. We've got a black rub rail with stainless steel insert. We walk around to the back of the boat. This is the outboard model, so we've got a Mercury 200 horsepower outboard. It's the V6. Got this great swim platform area on this boat. Got a telescoping swim ladder. It tucks away here under this hatch. There's even a nice little cutout for your hand. So whenever you're trying to board this boat, you can kind of grab there, or you can pull up on this to stow away the ladder. Let's climb aboard and take a look inside. Here in the bow of the 230 SDX, we've got this side entry to allow for some more room here for this head compartment. But up here in the front, we've got this great wraparound seating, ton of space to hang out and lounge. This interior color is in the stone color. Gorgeous stitching, fusion audio, some grab bars, and some extra storage with some cup holders up here. As we walk aft, we've got this spacious head compartment here. There's also the upgraded cushions in that compartment. As we close that, we've got some storage here on the port side. Also a nice little cubby there to store some stuff. Got your fusion audio head unit. As we come over here to the helm, we've got a tilt steering wheel. We've got Mercury's active trim. We've got a sim rad and more storage here in the console, as well as all of your switches for your accessories. We've got this reverse lounge seating. So if you want to hang out with all your friends here in the back with this great L seating area, you can hang out and have a good conversation. This backrest also folds down, so this sun pad can extend and have some more space to lay out and lounge in the sun. We've got a removable ski pylon, as well as our flagpole. There's some storage here on the floor. Got a bimini top. If you'd like to come take a look at this boat or have any questions about it, we'll be happy to help you. Or you can stop by our Greenville, South Carolina showroom.